For this look, I will be using Holo Taco's Long Lasting Base, Holo Taco's Royal Crush, Maniology's B397 Prana, Twinkled Tea's So Extra, and Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco. We start with a base coat for good adhesion to the nail bed. Then, our base color, in which case I'm using Royal Crush. I required 2 coats. You may or may not, depending on the color you pick. Then, we're going to use a straw and paint the end with our splatter colors before aiming the straw at our nail and blowing through it hard to splatter the nail polish across the nail. This is an extremely messy process, so definitely protect your skin with liquid latex or some form of a barrier. I cut the straw in order to switch colors. That way I can do multiple colors with one straw. Once you're happy with your splatter, it's time for a final top coat. I am using Super Glossy Taco here. Seal that mani in for long-lasting wear and shine. And there you are. Enjoy!